Hi, and welcome to JC Web Training. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to create a content accordion. Content accordions are tools that allow us to group content into easily digestible sections for the viewer. Um, this set of black headings that can be expanded is what I'm referring to. And you can see in this example, without the accordion layout, there would be quite a bit of text for the viewer to scroll through. So by collapsing it all into these subheadings, it's much easier for them to navigate and find the information that's relevant to them. Now this one is an interesting example because it's actually strictly a navigation tool. It's not hiding content. It's actually just grouping links so that the user again can navigate as easily as possible to the information that's relevant to them. So I'll show you how to build one of these on your own page, and it really is just 4 simple steps. You go first to your page and ensure that you go to Safe Edit. And in the content screen, in this example, it's just a test page that I've set up, so it's got no content. But you insert all the text that you need. And again, I've got some sample text that we'll use. And in order to define these subtitles that appear in the black bars, you need to define the subtitles as H2 tags that can be found here. Once you've selected the entire line, the options appear under H. That means header 2, and that category is the one that you have to choose, none of the others. This will be the one to choose in order to make sure that it's defined as an accordion header. So just go ahead and do that to all these relevant subtitles. And once that's done, we need to select all of the content that we want to appear in the accordion. And that includes all of the headers. But what I'd like to do for this one is ensure that this section here is left visible, not within accordion, for the viewer to read, and then the accordion will start here. So you just drag down and select all of the text, and as soon as you release the mouse, these options will appear. If you select the square icon, it allows you to nominate that section as a div section. And as soon as you do that, you'll see that this anchor option appears. You'll need to click that, type in the word accordion, which is basically a set of instructions that automatically formats the accordion. Hit apply changes, and that's it. So we'll go ahead and save that, and then we'll be able to preview it and then submit it for approval. So there it is. We've got our introduction text that we didn't want to appear, and then there's all of the 5 headers that we nominated as H2, and within that you can see the text is concealed and easily digestible for any of your visitors. But again, we go after preview and we go back to edit mode and ensure that we've gone to this status section and submit it for approval. So that's it in a nutshell, how to create an accordion. Just to recap, first thing you need to do is have your text in there or insert it. Then define the accordion headers as H2. Once you've done that, select all the accordion content and define them as a div section. Then click on the anchor icon that appears at the bottom, type in the word accordion, and select apply changes. As always, be sure to save and submit the page for approval. Thanks for watching.